Ever wondered how to perfectly prepare and use pastry shells? Well, prepare to be enlightened as we delve into the top 5 strategies that will elevate your pastry shell game to new heights. Stay tuned to master the art of pastry shell preparation and usage. First up, make sure you choose the right type of pastry for your dish. The world of pastry shells is vast, from flaky puff pastry, sturdy short crust, to delicate phyllo. Each has its unique purpose and flavor, so always remember to pick the right pastry shell for your culinary masterpiece. The second strategy is all about proper thawing. Ensuring your frozen pastry shells are correctly thawed is crucial to dodge a soggy base. Slowly allow them to reach room temperature, avoiding any direct heat. Remember, patience is key when thawing pastry shells. The third strategy is baking blind. This refers to pre-cooking your pastry shell before adding the filling. It's essential for achieving a deliciously crisp and golden crust, preventing sogginess. So don't forget to bake blind for that perfect crisp pastry shell. Fourth on our list is the egg wash. This secret weapon is a baker's best friend, giving pastries a glossy, golden finish. Simply whisk an egg, brush it over your pastry before baking, and voila! An egg wash can make all the difference in the presentation of your pastry dish. Finally, let's get creative with how we use our pastry shells. They're not just for pies and tarts, you know. Try them as mini pizza bases, or fill them with savory stews. Even a sweet custard can be a delightful surprise. So don't be afraid to think outside the box when using your pastry shells. And there you have it, the top 5 strategies for preparing and using pastry shells. From choosing the right type to proper thawing, baking blind, egg washing, and exploring creative uses, these strategies are your keys to perfecting your pastry dishes. Remember, the magic lies in the details, the right techniques, and a dash of creativity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more culinary tips and tricks. Happy baking!